Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are currently in Dunham Point, which is a new community located in Cypress, Texas, which is about 35 to 40 minutes from Houston, Texas. Now, this particular community has different size lots. They have 70-foot lots and also 50-foot lots. Now, the home that we're going to view today, built by David Weekly, is called the Edgehill. Now, this home is currently being built on the 50-foot lot. This one-story home is a 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath home, and it ranges between 2,500 and 2,600 square feet, depending on if you choose to upgrade the home by adding additional options. Now, the price point of this home is going to be in the high $400,000 range. So we're going to take a quick tour of this home, and I want you to let me know what you like best about this home in the comment section below. And by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. All right, let's go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful home behind me. Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today of this beautiful home built by David Weekley, located in Dunham Point in Cypress, Texas. Now remember, if you have a question regarding this builder, this model, or any other real estate question, leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to see additional homes built by David Weekley, make sure you check out my playlist for David Weekley. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. You all have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you.